How to change shipping address on Shein. Hello, everybody. If you'd also like to change your shipping address on Shein, today we will be following up this method in order to do so. So basically, when you head over the Shein application and head over to the checkout option, for that you can head over and look out for this cart option. And when you go ahead and click on it, you will be finding a checkout option. Tap on it. And when you do here, usually, once the shipping address is already locked, Shein does not allow us to change it up to prevent fraud, so the time is of the essence. So, if you would like to change shipping address on Shein, you need to reach out to the Shein customer service. So, what you can do is you can basically head over to their application, or you may also head over to their website and you can head over to Me tab in the bottom right corner. And once you are there, you can just go and look out for the customer service of Shein. Tap on that option and you can basically reach out to them. So you can just go and locate up your order number, and once you locate it up, you can just go over and provide your order number and the correct shipping address. So for that, you can just go and look out for this order issue or shipping info. Tap on that option right here on your screen, and you can look out for the shipping info option available and look out for changing option here. If the order has already been shipped on the address cannot be changed. You may need to consider contacting the shipping center directly or waiting for the package to return and then placing a new order with the correct address. So if you would like to change your shipping address, the only way if possible is contacting them directly. So therefore you may follow up those methods and try it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.